What's up?
Okay. Ravi says hi.
Hey. Hi, Shrishti. Yes. Hi, Sid. What's up, guys?
Pretty smile. Hi, you're pretty.
Absolutely, the Y revolution is here to stay. I'm good, Aditi. How are you? Likewise, absolutely. Pleased to see you as well. All you guys. I mean, I can't see you, but thank you so much, Sangeeta. I mean, I had a blast shooting for tonight. Sangeet, I'm so sorry, Sangeet. not Sangeeta, Sangeet. Yes. I had a really good time shooting for the film, Sid. Especially with the young cast and crew that we had. It was absolutely fantastic. It's a young film, we didn't have any stars in it. So, no starry tantrums to handle. Hi Rakesh. So have you guys seen the promos on YouTube? What do you think? What do you think of it?
How was it working with Pi Films?
It was awesome working with Y Films, their first film, and I had to be a part of it. And with Bumpy as my director, it was completely crazy working with him, because I don't know if you guys have seen Roadies, but working with him was a plain blast. The most interesting scene for me in the film, I would say to Sneha, one of the most interesting scenes in the film was during the climax scene where Taha and I actually had to endure a few bruises for a particular, I mean, I won't tell you what it was, but I had bruises on my leg due to this scene. And when the movie is out, I'll tell you exactly what scene that was.
The Teddy series is very impressive.
Yeah, the Teddy series is definitely very impressive and extremely violent as well, and that's what I really like about it.
And now you look like an English princess.
Thank you so much, Sid. That's very sweet of you.
What's your favorite song in the film?
My favorite song, Ravish, in the movie is Love Ka Diyan, the title song, and also Tonight. I really, really like Tonight as well, especially since I saw the video. I really like Tonight. Thank you very much, Shrishti. That's very sweet of you. Swati, no, I've actually done a film before. It's Teen Patti with Mr. Bachchan last year. Okay, one secret about Love Nanda, Rohit. You really want to know a secret about Love Nanda? He really liked his Ghagra Choli outfit that he wore, and he has kept the choli. He has kept it with him at his house, and he's not returning it to the production. Sunny, what's my take on love in real life? I feel that if you fall in love, it has to be fall in hard and strong and 110%. Don't fall in love half-heartedly. Sangeet and not Sangeeta, answering your question. Any tips for newcomers? Frankly, I'm pretty new myself. It's only my second film, but I would say that no matter where you're from, no matter what's your background, no matter what the world says, if you want to be an actor, if you want to be a director, you do it and don't let anyone stop you. Look at Taha, he's come all the way from Dubai to be an actor in Mumbai. I mean, he completely followed his dreams, so nothing should stop you.
Difficult to throw it in. How is it handling that attraction that you're getting right now?
How is it getting the attention? It's nice. It's really heartwarming, and I mean I can see all you guys messaging, and it's really overwhelming all of a sudden, and it feels fantastic. Swati, it was entirely. It was a laugh riot shooting for the Mutton song. I was actually in hair and makeup getting ready because even I'm featured in the song. And I left all of that and I went down to see Taha performing live and moving his waist. I had to see it. I mean, I couldn't miss that for the world. And now he completely had it after that from my side. Thank you, Ritika.
How is it feel handling a commercial film out and out? A big banner film.
How does it feel like handling a big banner film? You know, being a part of YRF and Y Films, it feels amazing because you know, these guys have given me an opportunity to play the lead in Love Ka Di End, and I hope you guys really like the film, and I feel really humble about it.
Who's your biggest inspiration?
How do I find Ranbir Kapoor? Ritika, I think he is a superb actor, and I'd absolutely love to do a film with him. Actually, I hope I do get to do a film with him. I really do. Nice to meet you too, Chirag. My biggest inspiration is I have a lot of inspirations from different people, from different actors, and the walking, talking inspiration that I have is at home, and he's my father. He's extremely hardworking, and I see him every day in the morning. He's up and about. He exercises a lot, and he keeps me on my toes completely. Hey Sahil, thank you so much. I'm glad you appreciate my style. That's really sweet. Someone asked me something about my college life. It was, I honestly didn't finish my college. I dropped out of college to act and follow my dreams. So I was in Boston for a year, where I studied in Boston University, and then I left college. I mean, I came back for my holidays, and then I decided not to go back because I wanted to act. So here I am, and I'm going to stay put here. Okay, about Ria. Well, Ria is your typical girl next door, and you know, she's a very sweet girl, but you know, the thing is that she doesn't stay sweet for very long, because this guy Love, he breaks her heart, and then obviously because she's so hurt by what he does, she decides to get even with him and go after him with a bat. Geet, most definitely, I will definitely be making more movies and acting in more films. I'm here to act. Sangeet, if you really want to have an opportunity with Y Films, you must definitely get in touch with them, and you can send your pictures and you can audition. So yeah, go for it.
How is Bumpy as a director?
How is Bumpy as a director? Hi Rahul 08. Yeah, I have actually seen him in Roadies as well. I've been a huge fan of his since since Roadies, and I saw him, and he's known as Nature Baba over there, and he's ridiculously funny. And you must have seen that on the making of Roadies. And as a director, he's as funny as he was in Roadies. He's completely mad. He's completely, I mean, his dreadlocks, he uses them as a weapon to hit people, but not seriously. I can absolutely relate to Ria in terms of how emotionally she lets her emotions drive her actions and her decisions, because sometimes I do that as well. I let my emotions decide certain things for me. Thank you, Arithro. I'm glad you like mine and Taha's pairing. After Love Ka the End, some pani, I'll just have some water. After Love Ka the End, guys, you're going to know exactly what I'm going to do post the release. But for that, you have to make my film a huge hit, so that I get awesome offers.
6th of May.
And it's releasing on the 6th of May. So you make sure that you take your friends and family and watch it and have a superb time. It's not Wake Up Sid 2, Ritika. I mean, although I love Wake Up Sid, but it's not Wake Up Sid 2. Swati, it was awesome working with Pushti. We actually, I do consider her to be a friend of mine now after working together, and she's great fun to interact with even off set. And there were certain things about us talking off set which people didn't understand because of our ridiculous conversations, and only the both of us would be laughing. So she's an awesome girl. I absolutely love her.
How was Shakti Kapoor's reaction to your promo? The next reaction?
My father's reaction to my promos. Let's say that Crime Master Gogo was extremely thrilled after he saw his beti mouthing a few daring dialogues on the trailer. He really liked the promo a lot, and he's really excited about the film. He's more excited than me. It was really awesome working with Taha. It's his first film, and he's very focused. He comes thoroughly prepared on set, and in fact, speaking of Taha, he's going to be joining us in 5 minutes. So I'm sure he's going to be really excited to talk to you guys, just the way I am, because this is my first ever online chat that I've done, and I hope you guys have enjoyed speaking with me. I've had a blast talking to all of you. If I ever had a chance to date a Hollywood celebrity, who would I like to date? Hands down, Johnny Depp, any day. I would fly to Hollywood and probably stalk him if I had some free time. I love him. I absolutely love Johnny Depp.